Today we're going to present the final challenge for our Puzzlebot solution. This Puzzlebot's objective is to go throughout the whole track, but it is full of obstacles, traffic lights, traffic signs, intersections, and our goal is to take it to go throughout the whole thing without stopping while following the line. Will the Puzzlebot complete the track? We're going to find out right now. And here we go. Our Puzzlebot will detect directional signs, right, straight, or left, and store that information to decide its path after interpreting the traffic light. When encountering a yellow light, a caution or give way sign, the robot will slow down and stop at the crosswalk. This same behavior applies when the light is red. Only when the light turns green will the Puzzlebot proceed through the intersection, resuming line-following behavior. The course concludes when the Puzzlebot reaches the stop sign.
While the Puzzlebot begins its journey, we will explain the architecture of our ROS2 project. We have two main launch files. The autonomous launch that runs on the Jetson Nano inside the Puzzlebot to reduce camera latency, and the YOLO launch that runs on the user's computer with the heavy load of camera processing and neural network. For this project, we have a total of 5 main nodes. MoveLine Traffic, responsible for the line follower algorithm, it converts the camera image to grayscales and crops it to focus on a region of interest. A blur is applied to reduce noise, and an inverse threshold to insulate the black line and filter out irrelevant parts of the image.
Morphological operations are applied to clean the binary image and remove the residual noise. It calculates the center of the detected line of roll-up. This step is performed twice on the bottom and on the middle of the image. These two centers use a 3D control system. The reference point is the center of the image. If both of the lower and upper centers are aligned with the center, it indicates that the Puzzlebot is currently following a straight line. If the bottom center is centered but the upper one shifts to the side, it signals an conductor, adjusting the velocities, allowing a smooth navigation through the curves. The crosswalk is detected using a similar image processing the pipeline as the line following. If it contains 4 blocks, a crosswalk flag is activated and pushing, notifying the move point traffic node.
Point traffic. Once activated, it enables telemetry, moving to stop and listening to the slash traffic lights and the slash traffic signs stopping to determine the appropriate action. It waits until a green light is detected before proceeding to cross the intersection. Telemetry is used to estimate the Puzzlebot's position in real time. The move point traffic node uses this positional data and applies a proportional control strategy to accurately guide the Puzzlebot toward a predefined set point. After successfully crossing the line intersection and reaching this set point, the move point traffic node sends a confirmation message to the move line traffic node. The crossing is complete and it resumes following behavior.
The stoplight and stop sign nodes detect traffic lights and traffic signs using custom-trained neural networks based on the YOLO V8 Nano architecture. To build these detectors, we collected a large set of images under various lighting conditions and scenarios to ensure robustness. Each image was then manually labeled, assigning the appropriate classes. Once labeled, we used the YOLO V8 framework to train a separate neural network for each task, one for traffic lights and one for traffic signs. We also applied data augmentation techniques to generalize to new environments such as flipping, rotation, brightness changes, and more. After training, the neural networks were integrated into their respective ROS2 nodes. Each node processes incoming camera feed in real time. To ensure a reliable performance, a confidence threshold of 60% was used. Only detections with a confidence score above this value are published to their corresponding topics.
In conclusion, we demonstrated that the Puzzlebot was able to complete the course in a reliable and robust manner.
The few issues observed were mainly due to the Wi-Fi interference created by other components.
By implementing start and confirmation flags, we ensured smooth communication and synchronization between the nodes.
We also noticed improved performance when running the control nodes directly on the Jetson Nano, while keeping the YOLO node on the laptop of the user. Additionally, camera latency proved to be an important factor to consider the maintaining smooth navigation.
As shown at the end of the path, the Puzzlebot completed the track successfully. It stopped when required whenever seeing a red light on the stop sign, it turned according to the signs, and finally advanced whenever seeing a green light.
We'd like to thank Manchester Robotics and everybody who watched this video. Have a great weekend.